Hello everyone, this is Solar Space, and today we're going to be looking at another Neal.fun game. So I've done another video on this, which is like the future of the universe, which was this universe forecast, and we did that. But today we're going to do another space-related game on Neal.fun, which is called Space Elevator. Here it is. So that's what we're going to be playing today. Let's have a look then. So it says scroll up. Let's turn that off. You got a hummingbird and fireworks. Oh, fireworks aren't that high, are they? But anyway, this is going to be a long space elevator, so get prepared. So we got a hot air balloon, a mallard. Welcome to the space elevator, the only elevator that goes up to space. What's this? A Blirot XI. XI in Roman, that's 11. So fast plane to cross the English Channel. Nice. You are currently in the troposphere, the lowest layer of the atmosphere. You got an osprey, which is a bird. The troposphere contains 99% of the water vapor in the atmosphere. Pigeon. Hang gliding, typical altitude. There's no music, but I'm sure there will be some music soon. MIL V12, largest helicopter ever built. So, yeah, it does look like a big helicopter. Nimbostratus clouds are responsible for rainy days. So, I think this stuff is the nimbostratus cloud. Over here. There we go. Skydiver, typical altitude. Monarch butterfly, bald eagle, alpine. Don't know how to say that, but anyway. As you climb, the temperature will continue to drop. It's a bit chilly. Pick a scarf to say what. Okay, let's just pick this one. Box kite, highest flying kite. A little bit unusual for a kite shape. Mountain goat, Vega 5B, Amelia Earhart's plane. White stork. Cumulonimbus clouds are tall, towering clouds that can produce lightning, tornadoes, and hail. Okay, we've got loads of other animals here. We've got a zeppelin. Yes, here we go. This elevator needs some music. Yeah, let's play. Oh, so there's a bumblebee here as well. It's highest as well fly. That's very high for a bumblebee. We've got a meter counter. It's a little bit blocked by this black line at the bottom of the screen, but we're at 5,640 meters. Lots more animals. Cirrus clouds or whiskey clouds are made out of ice crystals. Above this altitude is known as the death zone because there isn't enough oxygen for human life. So I guess you'll need a oxygen mask if you're climbing Mount Everest. Oh, so party balloons with pop. So this is, they don't go up to space though, do they? Maybe they're really, they use as party balloons. Maybe there's a different type of balloon that will pop higher. We've got some more stuff. Cirrocumulus clouds are patchy clouds that can blanket the sky. We've got more. Space shuttle reaches max aerodynamic pressure. Nice. Now would be a good time to pick out your spacesuit. Which one's we do? Let's just do the middle one. That's fine. As air pressure drops, so does the temperature needed to boil water. At this altitude, water boils at just 54 degrees. Some more planes and helicopters. Jet streams, you can see. Jet streams are a bunch of bands strong with they can reach up to 275 miles per hour. Oh yeah, you can see our elevator man shaking from the wind. We got another plane. So don't worry, the elevator's pretty strong, I think. Okay, good. Don't want to be falling off. Don't want to fall from 14,190 meters, as you can see at the bottom of the screen. There we go. Out of the building. Hopefully. Welcome to the stratosphere. Stratosphere is home to the ozone layer, which protects us from harmful UV rays. We got some more planes and helicopters. So there's still planes at 17,000 meters. Unlike the troposphere, the temperature in the stratosphere increases the higher you go. So got some more. This is the Armstrong limit. Above this altitude, your saliva and tears will boil if you don't have a pressure suit. Ooh. That's a good fact, I didn't know. Nacreous clouds are rare clouds found in polar regions. They do kind of look like southern lights, but like a pink version. They're made of small ice particles that scatter light in colorful ways. Yeah, here it is. Oh, can we not go? Oh. First aircraft to break the sound barrier. Nice. A lot of planes in this. Explorer 2, 1935 balloon altitude record. So there's lots of planes. There's not really anything up in the sky except these ones. As the air gets thinner, there are fewer molecules scatter light, so the sky starts getting darker. Yeah, you can see that now. Nice fade. Highest aircraft in it, so that person's actually gone up that high without in a plane or in a hot air balloon or anything else. Spy plane. More planes. Oh, the SR-71 is one of the fastest planes ever made. It can fly at over 3 times the speed of sound. Oh, nice. Let's keep going. So as you can see, the object's starting to get like very low. There's not much going on. NASA X-43. Not many planes and stuff now. With nothing but a duct tape pressure suit, Joseph Kittinger jumped from an open gondola and set a record that will last more than 50 years. Oh, I'm not quite sure what that means. I don't know what a gondola is. Maybe one of you know who are watching. Weather balloon. Oh, I thought the hot air balloons were. So I think these weather balloons are to like predict the weather, aren't they? And then forecast it so you can all know what the weather is. The ash cloud from the eruption that destroyed Pompeii reached this height. Oh, so Pompeii's eruption in like Rome, I think, or something. That's a lot. Where our height meter's gone now. Highest paper airplane flight. We're almost in like space, I think. How is this possible? Launched from a balloon. This is the highest a paper airplane has flown. Oh, it's launched from a balloon. Okay. Felix freefall. So it was a freefall thing. Congratulations, you made it 0.01% to the moon. Nice fact. The mushroom cloud from the Castle Bravo nuclear test reached this altitude. Okay, got some more space out. Actually, possible idea. Yeah, nice. Space shuttle. Ooh, whoa. This got my attention. What is this? Blue jets are a rare form of lightning that arc upwards. So I think we're still in like the Earth's atmosphere, but we're in like the very dark bit because lightning still happens. So we're in the mesosphere now. Congratulations, you reached the mesosphere and now halfway to space. Oh, so we're not even halfway. We just reached halfway to space. So the air in the mesosphere is very thin, has less than 1% pressure as the air at sea level. Okay, so we still got hot air balloons, but that's like high altitude. That's the record anyway. Not going to see any more. As you can see, I think in the corner we've got a temperature meter. So it's at this height, and it like average temperature would probably be the minus 17 degrees. You can see the temperature's creeping up. Look, since weather balloons can't reach this height, rocket sensor is used to learn more about the mesosphere. What's this? Okay. Ooh, got a lot of blank space here. Oh, here we go. While normal lightning is around 4 kilometers long, sprites can reach up to length of 50 kilometers. So what's a sprite? Sprites are a rare form of lightning spotted over thunderstorms that only last a fraction of a second. Okay. I think we're near the end. The temperature's gone up rapidly. We're at minus 61 degrees. Since the speed of sound depends on temperature, the sound travels 15% slower. Oh, that's cool to hear. So we still got clouds. Inoculant clouds are the highest altitude clouds in the atmosphere. Most meters burn up here. Okay, so this is where the burning point. Or 48 tons of meters hit the atmosphere every day. Okay, that's cool. I think we're almost here. This is the coldest part of the Earth's atmosphere. Yeah, we're minus 84 C. Welcome to the thermosphere, the final layer on our journey to space. At 100 kilometers high, the common line is usually accepted at the start of outer space. Temperatures in the thermosphere can reach 2,500 degrees, but molecules are so far apart that you wouldn't even feel it. So we still got planes. Vostok 1 on the way to space. I haven't heard of that. Particles from the sun hit the atmosphere, they excite atoms in the air. Excite atoms glow, creating a brilliant displays of light called auroras. So this is where the southern lights happen. Whoa. Wait a minute. Now leaving Earth. There's fewer than 1,000 humans have been. Now leaving Earth. Okay, we got a nice thing. Nice. So, we're at minus 74 degrees here. That was nice. So that was a fun video. Hope you enjoyed. And see you in another video coming very soon. Bye.